Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review on Kittl. Kittl helps you to unleash your creative power. Magical design tools, highly professional templates, precision editing and more are what you get there. The next generation design creation platform is Kittl. You can try Kittl for free. Join the design revolution. Create magic. It's trusted by brands and creators like this. You can see really great creators, and then we have so many people in the great minds in this involved in this. You can create graphics in seconds powered by mind-blowing design tools. Designing has never been so easy. You can speed up your workflows with Kittl design tools. Advanced text editing for real-time text transformation that lets you warp any text with just a few clicks. Truly, it hasn't been easier before. You can see it. So great. You have to adjust, and it's adjusted. You can see. Next, we have magic recoloring. Choose from training color palettes and instantly replace colors from any design with a single click. You can see that right there. Next, innovative texture clipping. This is it. Use automatic texture clipping to apply grungy, noisy paper or pattern textures to your designs in no time. Unlimited content. You have direct access to illustrations, fonts, photo, icons, textures, and more. You can see them. Beauty Illustration Library, award-winning font, photo catalog. Beautifully crafted design templates provided by world-class designers. You can choose from thousands of professional design templates to customize with just a few clicks. So many. And all you need in one tool. You get heading text effect, text decoration effects, text transformation, giant illustration library, vector ornament library, shapes, banners and more. Template library, premium photos, upload custom to graphics. You can upload custom graphics in JPG, PNG or SVG. Come out with simple drag and drop. Also have texture collection, download designs. You can download designs and export them as JPG, PNG, SVG or PDF files. Vector downloads actually require you to be a pro user. You can also share your work using the built-in sharing features to spread your work through social media or send it to friends or customers. The Kittl also helps you to grow. Gives you tutorials on how-to videos and tons of inspiration. They've got everything you need to master Kittl with ease. It's as simple as that. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your creative power. Try Kittl for free today.